Using different types of wood furniture in home decor offers a multitude of benefits that enhance both the aesthetic appeal and the functional dynamics of living spaces. While opting for uniform furniture may create a sense of cohesion, the integration of various wood types introduces rich textures, colors, and styles that can elevate the overall design of a home. This diversity allows homeowners to express their individuality, create focal points, and foster a more inviting atmosphere. One of the most significant advantages of using different wood types is the visual interest it brings to a space. Each type of wood possesses unique grains, colors, and textures that contribute to a layered aesthetic. For example, combining dark walnut with light maple can create a striking contrast that draws the eye and adds depth to a room. This interplay of different woods can transform an otherwise monotonous environment into a dynamic space filled with character and charm. The visual diversity encourages exploration and engagement, inviting inhabitants and guests to appreciate the intricacies of each piece. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of 90 random wood furniture ideas and wood decor ideas you can consider adding to your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to visual interest, the use of various wood types enhances the tactile experience within a home. Different woods have distinct textures that can evoke varying sensations when touched. Smooth finishes on cherry wood can feel luxurious and inviting, while the rough-hewn surface of reclaimed barn wood can evoke a sense of rustic authenticity. By incorporating a variety of wood types, homeowners can create spaces that engage multiple senses, contributing to a more immersive living experience. This tactile diversity encourages interaction with the furniture, making the home feel more alive and welcoming. The combination of different woods can also serve to reflect and enhance personal style. Each type of wood carries its own symbolism and associations, allowing homeowners to curate a collection that resonates with their values and aesthetics. For instance, lighter woods like birch may evoke a Scandinavian design sensibility, while richer, darker woods like mahogany can lend an air of sophistication and warmth. This versatility allows individuals to express their personalities through their furniture choices, resulting in a home that truly reflects their identity. The mix of wood types can create a narrative about the homeowner's tastes, experiences, and journey, adding layers of meaning to the living space. In terms of functionality, using a variety of wood types can enhance the overall utility of furniture pieces. Different woods offer varying degrees of durability, workability, and resistance to wear. For instance, harder woods like oak are known for their strength and durability, making them ideal for high-traffic areas, while softer woods like pine are easier to work with and can be more affordable, making them suitable for decorative accents or temporary pieces. By strategically selecting different wood types based on their characteristics, homeowners can create a harmonious balance between aesthetics and functionality. This thoughtful approach ensures that each piece serves its purpose effectively while contributing to the overall design. Moreover, incorporating diverse wood types can enhance the sustainability of home decor. Many homeowners are becoming increasingly conscious of the environmental impact of their choices. By selecting furniture made from various sustainably sourced woods, individuals can support responsible forestry practices and reduce their ecological footprint. This commitment to sustainability not only benefits the environment, but also creates a sense of pride in the furniture choices made. Homeowners can feel good about their decisions, knowing that they are contributing to a more sustainable future while enjoying the beauty of their diverse wood collection. Another benefit of using different wood types is the opportunity for creative expression through design. The combination of various woods allows for experimentation with styles, shapes, and finishes. For instance, a contemporary wooden dining table might be paired with rustic chairs, creating an eclectic mix that defies traditional design rules. This creative freedom encourages homeowners to think outside the box, leading to unique arrangements that capture attention and inspire conversation. The ability to play with different wood types fosters a sense of innovation in home design, allowing individuals to create spaces that feel fresh and exciting. The use of different wood types can also facilitate the creation of focal points within a room. By strategically placing furniture made from contrasting woods, homeowners can draw attention to specific areas or elements in their space. For example, a dark wood sideboard against a light wood wall can create a striking visual contrast that emphasizes the piece as a central feature of the room. This ability to create focal points enhances the overall design. Guiding the flow of the space and encouraging movement. It allows homeowners to highlight their favorite pieces or create designated areas for specific activities, such as reading or entertaining. In addition to focal points, the combination of various wood types can enhance the sense of balance and harmony within a space. By thoughtfully mixing woods, homeowners can achieve a cohesive look that feels intentional and curated. For instance, pairing warm woods with cooler tones can create a sense of equilibrium that makes the space feel grounded. This balance is crucial in establishing a harmonious atmosphere, promoting a sense of calm and tranquility. The thoughtful interplay of different woods encourages a holistic approach to design, where every element works together to create a cohesive whole. Furthermore, using different wood types can facilitate the integration of various design styles within a home. Many contemporary homes embrace eclectic aesthetics, where elements from different styles coexist harmoniously. By mixing wood types, homeowners can seamlessly blend modern, rustic, traditional, and industrial designs, creating a space that reflects their multifaceted tastes. This versatility allows for greater creativity in design, enabling individuals to curate environments that feel authentic and personalized. The ability to draw from a diverse palette of wood types encourages exploration and experimentation, resulting in unique and captivating interiors. The emotional connection to furniture is another important aspect of using different wood types. Each piece of wood carries its own story, whether it's the history of the tree, the craftsmanship involved in its creation, or the memories formed around it. By incorporating a variety of wood types, homeowners can create a narrative that reflects their journey and experiences. This emotional resonance fosters a deeper connection to the furniture, making it feel more meaningful and significant. The presence of diverse wood types can evoke feelings of nostalgia, comfort, and belonging, enhancing the overall emotional landscape of the home. Additionally, the use of different wood types can aid in the practical aspects of maintenance and durability. Each type of wood has its own strengths and weaknesses, and by mixing them, homeowners can create a more resilient environment. For example, pairing softer woods with harder ones allows for a balance that can withstand everyday wear and tear. This practical consideration ensures that the furniture remains functional and aesthetically pleasing over time, minimizing the need for frequent replacements or repairs. The thoughtful selection of wood types can enhance the longevity of furniture, making it a worthwhile investment. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked 90 random wood furniture ideas and wood decor ideas you can consider adding to your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.